guys, welcome back to Nano. My name is Dan and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install a FiveM server. Alright, so let's go ahead and get straight into this. So we're going to go here. I come up on their FiveM documents page. This basically tells you exactly how to go ahead and install a FiveM server, but we're just going to go over the steps with you guys and make sure that we get it down packed and we get the server up and running. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make a folder, which I've already done. So go ahead, I got mine called a YouTube server, so that should be just fine. And then we have to download the master branch, which is for Windows. So we go to our Artifact server. I've already downloaded this, but you want to go ahead and get the latest one, which will be this one right here. And it's going to come up in the zip file, and that's when you want to go ahead and pick all of this here, and you're going to extract it into your folder. I'm using 7-zip, but you can use Renoir or really any archiving program that you need. Okay, so we go ahead, got that done. We're going to go down to step 3, which is extract, and then step 4, I want you to go to their GitHub and get the server data, which I already have up. So we're going to go here and we're going to download that zip, open that zip, and then we're going to take that. I'm just going to go ahead and extract both of these into the server folder. Now we have that done as well. So we can close out of that 7-zip file and go back to the documentation. Now we're going to need to make a server config folder. As you can see, there isn't one in here at all. So the best way to do that is we're going to make a new file, a text document, and we're just going to call it server.cfg. Okay, now you may notice this is a notepad. So the first thing that we're going to do is go down here and get this here, and we're going to copy it so we can put it into our server config. And we're going to file, save as, and then you want to save it as CFG again, but change it to all files and then hit save, and then our server config. Now in that server config, we're going to have to get our key, our license key. So we're going to go over to key master, and we're going to set up, once you hit new here, make it a label. We're going to call it YouTube server. You can really put in any IP address here, and we're home hosted, and then put in the captcha bicycles, and then we're going to generate our key. Okay, not a valid IP address. I lied. You can't put anything there. I'm not sure if that's even valid. I know that I didn't put my IP address. Okay, yeah, see. Now activate it. So the only thing about this is you need to put your actual IP address so that whenever you go to this, it'll tell you if your server is online or not. So now the next thing to do is to go into your server config. I'm going to open it up with code. I'm going to go down to our license key, and we're going to go ahead and put that in right there, which I didn't even copy apparently. We're going to grab that again. And you want to go ahead and make it active as well. So now we're going to go ahead and save that file. Now that we have that done, we need a way to start our server. So once again, I'm just going to open this with code so we can pull it back up and make a new file. So I'm going to be using a code here, and this is going to be a .cmd batch. Yeah, there we go. So basically what this is going to do is going to, whenever you start your server, ask you if you want to delete your server cache. This is going to come in very handy. It will come in very handy when you're working on scripts. So you have to go and manually delete your server cache every time. You can just start your server, hit yes, and then it starts. So now server started up. I'll be back with you guys as soon as we get in game. Alright, now we have FiveM open, so let's go ahead and hit localhost. And boom, just like that, we're connecting to our server. Got our little loading screen, or should I say anti-loading screen. Shouldn't take too long with just 9 resources. Alright, and boom, just like that, we're in game. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. If it helped, please be sure to hit subscribe down at the bottom and go ahead and like this video. And don't forget to turn on the notifications as well. Thank you guys, and have a great day.